Hi, good afternoon. Today is 18th of April 2026. Time is 6:20 and 18th of April. And I'm waiting for again this point, and I Google it. There is actually this sign is there, Ram Garya Sikh Gurdwara, Jamia Masjid Islamic Center. That sign, but actually Google Maps saying there is a refugee refugee asylum seeker. I don't know. This one, this building, Salt Hill Park. As you can see, Salt Hill Park Refugee Center. Maybe that 15. Let's cross the road. Was waiting for Thames Valley police uncles. One ambulance gone through. Fully alert, lots of children. They don't like even to be get picture. Oh, red light. Man, police is not there. Look. The 15 Bath Road. Police is not there, man. I can get away. Police officer is not there. Thames Valley police watching YouTube. Biggest joke happened. Donald Trump is there. Donald Trump with the Texas slave owners. I don't know which one they liked or did not liked. I have no idea. Tailor-made cartoon. When control Corona, civilization has died. Civilization has died. Homeless. You have to qualify vagina, uterus, everything. Offended. Oh, UTI road over there, job center. Oh, over there. Offended ones. Oh, over there. Immediately flats. One Paki uncle was there. Lots of actually Polish with a pram, children, family business. Today I watched it Ultraviolet. Lucy, Ultraviolet. Chodel, Dan. Donald Trump said, you used to call me Danny boy. He was talking about a very rich person. Danny, Israeli genocide master. Israel raising top anti-Semitic. Oh yeah, where are my Palestinian? Left one. Greta Thunberg. Putin, you watch that song, 5-Star Family. YouTube, please don't delete my playlist account. Watch what happened. Name of humanity, mankind. I watched that song, and Perry attack happened. Bataclan, musical program. Musical one Pecky auntie gone. They sing over there going. I'm Mirpur, Shabana Mahmood. That's how I become Milana, Mulana, Georgina Milona with the Pope. Pope is in Francophone, Anglophone. Behind there is a wall there. That's my, patent application. That's the design of the solar silo actually. What's that? Hexagonal structure. It's the honeycomb one, isn't it? Anyway, church, Catholicism in danger, evangelicals are in danger, man, Islam, Shia is in danger, Zionism in danger, man, atheism in danger, Masonic church is in danger, communism in danger, capitalism in danger. I see. How about G0? Anyway, Once I stayed for a couple of nights, homeless person here, night in one Angel, Sikh auntie, Indian auntie, Angel says, I am that dad. Actually, King Charles doesn't do anything. Night in, they got updated. Tanumanji Singh Desi. That's why 6 turbans were out there with a little baby. There's a dog coming. Oh, white uncle is coming with a dog. Here's a night in. It's rare sighting now, but I was happy. Dogs are still coming. Once I lived here, 2008 somewhere, 7 here, 53. Lot of prostitutes used to stay here, do business. Girls came out of nowhere. Ur Naz had got Nobel Prize later on. 53. Ledges Road. Slow. Keep on moving. Keep on rolling. Roll over, roll over. What was that? Hush. Banu Hashim, no, hush money. Stormy Daniel. Stormy Daniel. Don't, $80 million. Hush money. Why did you? That way. If they want to know, who's gonna stop them? Oh, sorry, my international audience. I don't know what I'm talking about. Policy, Nelsie policy was saying. What she's talking about. Operation Overload. Kangaroo. Spider-Man. Jumping on conclusions. Immigration and custom exempt. How many chemical war gone there? Testing actually. Chemical weapons coming, going, coming in, empty, going out. Viruses testing, nuclear weapons, immigration and custom. Visa. Donald Trump, previous, the last one, gone to Iraq, Iran also, illegally. Iraq, gone saying, he was saying, Iraqis are protesting. Oh, why didn't you came to meet us in al-Baghdadi? Big Daddy. Why didn't you came? Illegal immigrant. How many killed, raped, exempt, excluded, artificial insemination. Here's your Jesus. There's a church funded mosque going. Here is another. Usually they come to connect any church. Sikh, Hindus, top Pakistani. Here's a come cooperative French. Look, free funeral care. Who's gonna care the who's gonna carry the grave? Waris. In Quran, Waris literally mean heir. You know, they paying insurance premium. Part of who's actually paying? They claiming also. Donald Trump said civilization will die tonight. Donald Trump said civilization will die tonight. Where is a train? Insurance. You know, there was a they cut it. One church lady was paying insurance. Homeless people claiming lots of benefits. Insurance money. Very nice lady. That was a documentary even. Poor, dirty, ugly people. Where they come from. And solar tree, inshallah, will go. Namibia, Congo, Belgium uncle, na, king uncle, white uncle. won't happen. It not going to happen anyway. Marconi uncle was saying, Canadian uncle, we had fun. No, Donald Trump, I want to annex. Annex, okay. Marconi uncle, banker was saying, rollover did not working properly. Very suited booted business, Uncle Samoa. New uncle is Dean Genghis Khan looking, some kind of Dean Khan belly, and you belly also had a little bit Mongol look, Genghis Khan look. Man, I was watching you. Should I say sorry? Uzbek Pulao. Some videos I watched it. Where they got Elon Musk? I'm going to mosque actually. Where they got that nirvanas? How on earth is possible? How on earth is possible? Where they got nirvanas? Elon Musk na put a mask on it, Corona. I'm sorry, not really. Elon Musk. Elon Omar, what possible connection is left? Try Lavaga. Born supremacy. Elon Musk. Tesla gone, man. BYD, you name it. Gone. Some white. He came. Oh, I thought they're gonna snatch me or beat me. Honestly. I flipped the camera this side. I'm not making it. The human coming into the frames. I tried to come via YouTube. I'm gonna post it on YouTube. Salah, Salah. My lovely police, we're gonna remove the video. Inshallah Ta'ala. See what happens. If they do that, they are paymasters. See what happens. Their transfers. I also lived for some time. Keep on rolling here. 77 Rexton Road. Who was an Indian fuck? Utti Yemeni one, not Rwanda one. Here, 2013. Here, 77 Rexton Road. I live here. Also, he was a sick fucker, you're Indian. My biggest sympathizer, I don't know, had a fight with brother. I will tell you about later on, 2013. Nelson Mandela died. I was not able to pay rent properly, one room. Rome will rise again. Keep on rolling. Keep on rolling. Rexton Road. Which mosque gone? Turkish brothers and sisters. There is a shooting happen. Youngsters are out. Youngsters are out. Na? Asr Mosque. I think there was a Asr school. Asr time of prayer, mid prayer. Donald Trump start to addressing world. There is a right over there. There is a Masonic church, and I don't know about their sets of beliefs or something. I'm just going. Before I used to go to mosque, I had no idea. Brelvi Tarzan, Brelvi Sufi, Deobandi, Salafi, Daesh. That come later. That's the That's the mosque. This mosque, uncle is already there. One uncle also wearing. 1 second. Uncle is coming. Paki uncle. This time I'm wearing a muddy color. I don't want to come. Here is another uncle with the electric car. Look, uncle is there on mosque. Watch this. Other uncle with the muddy going. This was Paki uncle now. Electric car charging. They want to come. Look. Also want to make a video. Look, uncle is Indian uncle, Hindu uncle, electric car charging. Anyway, he also tried to make a car. Here is a right next to us over there, McDonald over there. That's the McDonald. That's Religious Society of Friends Quaker meeting of worship. Quaker, I think that's the Masonic Church. Windsor is over there. Eton College, Boris Johnson, your saloon, Al Salam, Al Baghdadi, also over there. Look, meeting and grooming, some church, and right next to this mosque. I'm going into this mosque. That's my lovely Slough. I'm gonna pray Slough. This mosque. Car park. Okay, bye bye.